Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth not connecting or completely missing on your Windows 11. So the first step that you can do is check if the Bluetooth service is running. So you can just click on or press on Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type in services. Okay, this one in here, this command, click on OK. And then here you can just find the Bluetooth support service, this one. And if it stopped, you can just right click on it and then tap on start, this one. And make sure that the startup is set to automatic. Now the next steps, you can check if the Bluetooth is disabled from device manager. Now you can just press on Windows plus X on your keyboard and then select the device manager. And here you can expand the Bluetooth options. And then if you see your adapter disabled, you can just right click on it and then choose enable device. And the next one is you can try to update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver. And the last steps, you can run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. So you can just go into settings, system, and here find a troubleshoot option. Click on other troubleshooters and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. And this will automatically detect and fix most connections or toggle problems. And next, you can also check for Windows Update because missing Bluetooth options can often cause by outdated system files. So that's it. Your Bluetooth should now be working again. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.